Are you looking for something to spice up your car, like a turbo, but you don't actually want to pay for a turbo because that costs money? Well, look no further than eBay.com's, XL Universal Turbo Sound Exhaust Muffler Pipe Whistle Car Oversized Roar Maker for $10. Hello everyone, the Duke here, and today I'll be reviewing this amazing device. Now, first of all, alrighty, elephant in the room. This is a ricer device. I know. It comes in 4 different sizes, all the way from 0.7 inches to 1.2 inches, and I got the largest one because, well, I wanted it to fit my exhaust. However, it actually was a little bit too small. I tried it on 3 different cars, or 2, really. Here's some of the examples if you'd like to hear it real quick. It's amazing. I love it.
That doesn't even sound like a turbo. It sounds like something going.
You should be nice.
That's what it sounds like.
Nice.
I'm gonna put it on the cutoff valve now. I want to try that.
I can put it on your car.
Jack, my car has a turbo.
Nuh-uh, now you can have 2.
Yes, it does. It has a turbo.
It could
you
fit
don't need that.
right here. That would be
That
perfect.
is so stupid.
Man, this one's finally perfect fitting exhaust, I think. I don't know, you can't really see in there.
Let's see. Unarguably, the Camry sounds the best. I mean, Cali's pretty cool, but the Camry absolutely baller. Now back to what I was saying, this is a ricer device. It is $12, I mean, and it's really butt ugly. I mean, the way it sits on the back of your exhaust, it looks bad. I mean, you could probably cover it with like an exhaust chrome tip or something, but let's be real, it doesn't look that good. And honestly, here's the thing. When I was riding the car in the Camry, it didn't sound terrible, and I actually had fun with it. It did bring a smile to my face, but it was just too ugly, and thus I couldn't keep it. However, you gotta consider that. If you're looking for a device that brings a little bit of a smile to your face, and, of course, annoys your friends, because let's be real, that's why I bought this. Because if your riced out car doesn't annoy people, what's the point of ricing it out? And thus, with its annoying factor, and the fact that, well, it is loud. It's not as loud as I thought it would be because, I mean, that would have made it so much better. But the fact that it's a little bit loud, it's not that expensive, and it annoys your friends, I think it's well worth the investment. And of course, the best part is you can just find random cars to stick it on once you get done with it. I mean, honestly, if you had a smaller exhaust, because that's also another thing that is kind of a bummer because the exhaust is so big on all these cars, it doesn't exactly, well, whistle as loud as it could. Which maybe is a good thing, who knows. It doesn't get to its full potential, but, I mean, it's a turbo whistle. It's a turbo whistle. Can I say that again? It's a turbo whistle. Anyway, I hope if you were looking to rice up your vehicle with some cheap mods, this video helped you. And this has been the Duke, signing off.